Bay Windows West Valley City is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay window contractors in Utah offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing peace of mind and quality craftsmanship. Custom Bay Windows West Valley City provide a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. With options for bay window customization, residents can select specific bay window dimensions, materials, and features that align with their vision. Bay window experts in Utah are skilled in creating bespoke solutions that cater to individual preferences and requirements. Energy-efficient bay windows West Valley City are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize natural light, contributing to a more sustainable living environment. Bay window specialists in West Valley City can guide homeowners through the selection of energy-efficient options that meet their needs. Bay window replacement in West Valley City is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Affordable bay windows in Utah offer a cost-effective way to upgrade your home without compromising on quality. Bay window contractors in Utah provide comprehensive replacement services, ensuring that new installations meet the highest standards of performance and durability. Bay window replacement in West Valley City is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Regular bay window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the lifespan of your windows. Bay window West Valley City experts in Utah offer professional replacement services to address issues such as leaks, drafts, and structural damage. Bay window design in West Valley City encompasses a wide range of styles and configurations. From classic Victorian to sleek modern designs, bay window options in Utah cater to diverse tastes and architectural styles. Bay window enhancements can include features such as built-in seating, storage, and decorative glass, adding both beauty and functionality to your home. Bay window materials in West Valley City are available in various options, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material offers distinct advantages in terms of aesthetics, durability, and maintenance. Bay window West Valley City frames in Utah are crafted to withstand the local climate, providing long-lasting performance and visual appeal. Bay window cost in West Valley City can vary based on factors such as size, materials, and customization options. Homeowners can explore different bay window solutions to find the best fit for their budget and design preferences. Bay window benefits in Utah include increased natural light, enhanced views, and added value to your property. Bay window installation services in West Valley City are provided by experienced professionals who understand the intricacies of bay window construction. These services ensure that your windows are installed correctly and efficiently, maximizing their performance and longevity. Bay window West Valley City upgrades in Utah can transform your living space, offering improved aesthetics and functionality.